everyone. In this video, we're going to be focusing on level 5 playback, and we will start with easy exercises preceding the actual playback. The best way to do this exercise is to play this video on your iPad, on your phone, right next to the piano. So you can put your phone right here and listen to me. Then don't look at the video when I'm playing, when you're getting tested. Just listen and then pause and then play it back. You don't have to play the triad. Play just that note that I played, either first, third, fifth, or the upper tonic. First of all, I'm going to ask a student to play 5-note scale plus upper tonic, so we call it a pentascale, and we will start with A major scale. Also play the same scale in a higher octave. Now I'm going to test whether you are able to find the starting note. I'm going to play the triad, A major triad, and I'm going to play either tonic, first note, median, third note, fifth, the dominant, or upper tonic. So that was A major. Now I'm going to ask you to play E major pentascale, 5-note scale, followed by the upper tonic. I will play it, I will demonstrate, and I want you to pause the video and play it yourself. There is less likely that this is going to be played in a higher octave. It's very, very high. Usually the examiner will focus on the middle register. So we are going to just stick to one scale. Next, we're going to play A minor pentascale with an upper tonic. Next scale is E minor. So E minor has F sharp in it, so let's play it only in the middle register. 5 notes followed by the upper tonic. Okay, so I hope it was a helpful first step and you are able to identify the first note of your playback, because your playback will start with either first, third, fifth, or the upper tonic, and you can study that so you can practice to recognize which note it is. Next, what I'd like to do is another preliminary exercise for identifying direction of playing. Am I going up or am I going down?